Hello, this is hw4. I'm doing the homework for problem 1. In this problem, we know that y equals to gx and gx equals to that. And we can draw the image of gx. This is the image of gx. And from this image, we can know that y is larger or equal to -1 and less than or equals to 2. So we know the probability that y equals to -1 equals to the probability that x is larger than 2. And we have this formula that fx equals to the probability of x less than or equals to x. So, as if the probability is x is larger than the x, we know that this equals to 1 minus fx. And we know that the probability of x is larger than 2 equals to y minus fx2. Similarly, when the probability of y equals to 0 equals to x is larger than 0 and less than 1. And this one equals to the fx1 minus fx0. And the probability that y equals 2 equals to the probability that x is less than 0. And this equals to fx0. So we can write the fyy as the first one when y equals to -1 and fx1 minus fx0 when y is 0 and fx and delta y minus 2 when y equals to 2. And we have this one when y is larger than -1 and less than 0. We have to calculate this part by using this formula. Fx is divided gx and y equals to minus x plus 1, so x equals to 1 minus y. So this is fx1 minus 1 and this is 1. So this is fyy equals to fx y 1 minus 1. So we can get the result fyy equals to this part. And let's calculate the capital fyy. And what we can know from the image, when y is less than -1, it should be 0. And when y is is larger than 2, and the result should be 1. And in this part, we can know that this part equals y minus this part equals to capital Y, and we substitute y to 1 minus x because this is y 1 minus x, and we will get the answer for this part, 1 minus fx 1 minus y. And now we want to calculate this part when y is larger than 0 but less than 2. This probability, the capital Y0 equals to the probability that y less than or equals to 0, and it's equals to the probability that y equals to 0 plus the probability that y less than 0. This part we have to calculate before is fx1 minus fx0, and for this part we can do the limitation that y is very close to 0, and we is y equals to 0. to the previous part, and we can get this answer. So for y is larger than 0 but less than 2, this part equals to 1 minus fx0. So we can get the answer for capital Y, that is when y less than minus 1 is 0, and 1 minus 1 to 0 it's this part, and when y is larger than 0 but less than 2 it's this part, and when y is larger than or equals to 2 it's 1. And we can draw the corresponding images as we already get the result for fyy and capital Fyy. And thank you.